In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Elgato Stream Deck to OBS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. OBS is natively supported on the Elgato Stream Deck. All that you have to do is add the OBS plugin to the Stream Deck software, and you will be able to set up buttons to mute your microphone, unmute, start recording, start streaming, and so on. So open the Elgato software, and usually OBS Studio should appear over here at the right side of the screen by default. So all that you have to do is use the search function to look for OBS. Now, you will be able to drag specific actions into the button. So record, record pause, stream, or play buffer, and so on. Now, if it isn't appearing on this menu, then you have to add the plugin. To do this, go into the settings. So click on the settings icon and you will find preferences. Now go into the plugins tab. To acquire new plugins, click on the plus sign that you see at the bottom left. So in here, there's going to be a plus sign. So you go to settings, preferences, plugins, and then click the plus sign to add a new one. This will take you to the Stream Deck plugins page where you will be able to find the OBS Studio plugin. Now it's as simple as choosing the option to get this plugin for free. It will be attributed to your Elgato account and consequently the Elgato software. And after this is done, then it is going to appear on this list here. And as I've said before, it's as simple as dragging specific actions into specific buttons. The Stream Deck is going to be wonderful if you need to quickly transition, change the scene. Maybe you are starting the stream and now you want to change the layout so when you actually play a game or when you are ending stream, and all of this can easily be done by using the OBS plugin within your Stream Deck. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Elgato Stream Deck to OBS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.